12 Symptoms of a clogged fuel filter. No matter the type of engine you have, traditional or diesel, all vehicles have fuel filters that clean the oil before it reaches the engine. However, this dirty job makes filters especially vulnerable to debris buildups, and once the filter becomes clogged, you will begin to see symptoms as warning signs which need to be attended to immediately. Before we dive in, quickly click on the subscribe button, like and share. We'll be back after the break. One. Lower engine performance. Any weak fuel filter will cause the engine to misfire and perform very low. Once this happens, an immediate cleaning will help, but the best will be a full replacement. However, if the fuel efficiency starts to suffer, or the engine behaves in an abnormal way, then you need to change your filter. 2. Having a hard start. This fuel filter's job is to keep sediments and other pollutants from getting into the combustion chamber. And to achieve this, the fuel filter keeps all the polluted particles inside its own chamber, but after some time, this chamber can get clogged too, resulting in improper fuel delivery to the cylinders and causing a hard engine start. 3. Hesitation of the engine. The hesitation of the engine is a common symptom of a clogged fuel filter. This causes an abnormal fuel flow to your car engine, which results in abnormal engine combustion and reduced engine power. Note that a clogged fuel filter has the ability to cause an engine to hesitate or stumble during acceleration. 4. Having strong odors. Anytime that your car exhaust emits strong fumes, this could be a symptom of a dirty fuel filter. And also, it could mean other damaging issues are at play, as well. Anything you think that could be the case, note that foul odors mean you should have a professional examine it immediately. 5. Having poor acceleration. There are many things that can contribute to a noticeable decrease in normal acceleration. A bad fuel filter is definitely one of them. Once there is not enough fuel going to the combustion chamber, the car computer will restrict the power output to prevent any engine damage from running too lean. 6. Having carburetor and injector problems. It's true that sometimes when the filter is clogged or partly dirty, fuel will somehow go through the filter but will substantially clog the car's injector or carburetor. And when this happens, it will cause the engine to stall, have start problems, and much more. 7. A whining fuel pump. Anytime there is forcing of liquid through saturated filtration material, it becomes tough on the pump. Once this happens, you will be able to hear it whining as it works. 8. Having a frequent engine stalling. For any car's engine to run perfectly and efficiently, a regular flow of fuel needs to enter the engine. And any disruption of this fuel flow, which is what happens when a fuel filter is clogged, can cause an engine to frequently stall. 9. Stoppage of the engine. Sometimes your car may not be able to start at all when your fuel filter is heavily clogged or too dirty. This happens especially when climbing through steep slopes. Your car will behave abnormally as if you're running out of gas, eventually making it stop abruptly. 10. Reduction of fuel mileage. It is known that the injector influences how much fuel the engine consumes. And having no functional filtration unit, they can get dirty. Most times, sediment or buildup can impact how the injector will function. Sometimes they can become erratic, injecting excess gasoline or diesel unnecessarily. 11. The check engine light turning on. Most modern cars now have sensors placed on every inch of the car that transmits signals to the car's computer informing it when something is going wrong with the car. What this computer does is illuminate the check engine light on the dashboard asking you to get the car checked. But if the fuel filter goes bad, the pressure of fuel that comes into the system will decrease, which will alert the fuel pressure sensor, and the check engine light will come on. 12. Having a sputtering problem. A lot of times, the sputtering problems normally occur when driving at a lower speed and when the fuel filter is experiencing some minimal blockage. But after some time, you will have no other choice but to clean or change your fuel filter entirely. What happens if you don't change your fuel filter? Your engine will not perform well, your vehicle's parts might damage. For those who don't know, the fuel filter is located somewhere in between your fuel tank and your engine. Normally, the fuel filter is either located inside the fuel tank, in the opening of the fuel line, which feeds gas to your car, or somewhere in the fuel line. This is usually at the bottom of your car. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye.